we're back, better than ever.
That's my line.
Anyways, we're back. We've been really busy. We've been going on vacation and just started recently working, and now we hardly have any time to like actually shoot and do some vlogs. And now that we have the time, we're just planning to shoot this little photo shoot that we have that you've been wanting to recreate what a magazine cover looks like. So there's that, and we're gonna take a shot at it. It will be a challenge. It will definitely be a challenge. So right now we're gonna go to Target and any other shop. Alright guys, we'll see you soon.
Trick to looking good is wear sunglasses that cover your face.
We're back, you guys, from Target and H&M and those all other places. We've been trying to look for this outfit that we want and to recreate. It was hard finding the right outfit just so it can match. So now we're gonna get ready. She's gonna get ready, put on her makeup, do her hair, and I'm gonna get set up a studio because we got to. All right, let's go.
So this is the final look. We basically tried to recreate this photo right here, which is from Elle magazine. So this is what we came up with. We have this awesome setup that the Bay put together. We got the sheet, which is a backdrop for as like a studio backdrop. We have some lights going on, and the outfit, the coat and the blouse is from Forever 21. My scarf is from H&M, and my jeans are from Old Navy. We had a lot of challenges. I mean, nothing's really like that close to us, like no malls or anything, so we kind of have to drive. And clothes in general are hard for me to find because I'm short, so it's like impossible to find things that like fit me right, so we had to go to a lot of different stores and stuff. We were supposed to shoot yesterday too, but it was just a hassle going everywhere, so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to give it a like and comment what challenge I should do next, or if I should recreate a specific magazine cover that you guys like. And yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and love you guys. I'll see you soon.